See, let me cover or let me revise the topics what we discussed in the last session. So before that, this batch is DSA with Java, data structures and algorithms with Java. And the timing of this session is from 7 p.m. onwards. Okay. The timing of the session is from 7 p.m. onwards. Only demos, maybe after today or tomorrow, the demos will be there at 6:30. And coming to the content, I explained in the first day of our session itself, we have two classifications are there. One is nothing but algorithms, another one is nothing but data structures. Two classifications are there. So slowly, first, there is no dependency on each and every topic. We will cover each and every topic in depth with multiple examples. Not only those examples, you have to practice more, okay, to understand the concept in detail. So as a part of this, I started with sorting algorithms. What is mean by sorting? The process of arranging, okay, the process of arranging the elements, process of arranging the elements in order, okay. So process of arranging the elements in order is called as what? Sorting. In general, we can apply this sorting for integers, for floating point values, for string object, for any kind of category you can apply this. Okay. So I explained about those things very clearly, and generating 10 random numbers for sorting purpose. That part also I explained very clearly. Next, basics of sorting, like how you can apply the sorting logic and some multiple cases on that sorting logic also I explained. So next and after that, there are some predefined sorting methods also there. How to apply that predefined sorting methods? Almost 14 cases are there that we are discussing. 1 second, please wait. Yeah. So there are some 14 cases are there to understand, like how to sort primitive integers in ascending and descending order. These primitive integers with a customized range in ascending and descending order. How to sort integer objects in ascending order and descending order. How to sort string objects in ascending order and descending order. how to sort string buffer objects in ascending order and descending order, how to sort string objects with customized sorting. I covered there are two cases also for that, case 1 and then case 2. Sir, now we have to talk about how to sort student objects in ascending order with respect to ID, all those things. Anyway, I'm going to take the example for the
Sir,
don't worry.
sorry for interrupting. Is this first lecture or second lecture?
Third, sir. Monday we started.
But okay, I will discuss with DurgaSoft. Okay, no issue, sir. You
Right.
can continue.
Yeah. So these are nothing but almost 12 cases we have seen. So even the programs along with the explanation I have given for all these 12 or 13 cases. What we need to do? Sir, we have to talk about the next cases, which are nothing but sorting student objects in ascending order with respect to ID, name, and then percentage. Sir, can I start? If any queries, please let me know. If everything goes fine, I will start. Clear? Yes, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So how we can able to sort student objects in ascending order with respect to ID, all these things. But before that, I want to create one student class. I want to create one student class. Let us take a class, the name of the class as a student. What information I am taking inside this student class? Sir, I want to hold hall ticket number of the student. Next, I want to take name of the student. Then I want to take percentage of the student, and integer I want to store rank of the student. Then I'm going to create a student constructor which is going to accommodate all these values, Sir, inside this dot hall ticket number is equal to hall ticket number, this dot name is equal to name, so this dot percentage is equal to percentage, like this I'm taking. So after that, whenever you are printing, I want to display the total content in string format. That's why public string I'm taking to string where it is going to return. So within parenthesis, it is going to print this dot hall ticket number, or directly also we can print hall ticket number followed by comma and then space. So I want to print name followed by comma and space, and I want to print percentage. Okay, and I want to print this closing bracket. Even rank also is there, right? Let me put rank also. As the second parameter, I will give the rank. Like this I'm taking. So here also hall ticket number followed by rank space, like this. Sir, I don't want all these things in the main method. I want to create some student objects. First, let me create student objects and print. So for this, I am taking array list because it must hold what type of object? Student objects. List is equal to, I am creating new array list holding student objects like this. After that, L dot add of new student of, I want to take a roll number as a triple one, that is nothing but ID, and the name I am considering as a Prakash. Sorry, we need to take in double quotations, right? Prakash. And the percentage is nothing but some 67.55 I am taking, and rank is nothing but 4. Like that, I added the first student. Next, is it the order is correct? No, first we have to pass rank, then at last. Good. Next, what is the next activity? Like that, I want to add some student data. So what is the next data? Let it be ID number is nothing but 333. So next I am taking 222. Next I am taking 555. Next I want to take 444. Next I want to take 666, and let us consider the ranks as 4, 1. Okay, next and after that 3, 5, 2, and then 6, like that. And the names are nothing but Prakash, and then I am taking Kalyan. Next and after that Suresh. Next and after that Mahesh, and I am taking Rajesh. Okay, next I am taking Babu, something like that. And let it be percentages 97, 57, 77, 87, 37, 47, like that. These are the student details what I have. So I want to print before sorting these student details. System.out.println of before sorting. What are the student details for each student? Yes, in L. Okay, what I'm trying to do? System.out.println of yes. Now let us see, is all these student data is coming or not? We have to verify. Java C test.java I'm taking. The code compiles fine. Java space test, you can see. So we are getting the student details as it is. Up to this, any questions? Please confirm. Now we have to sort these students. Any questions up to this?
Sir, why you took error list there?
Because I don't know how many student objects are there.
Okay.
If you want, you can take array also. If you know how many student objects you are going to accommodate, then you can take array list also. There is no issue with that.
Okay. And you written something. Why parenthesis is required in double quote?
Because at the time of printing, just I want this style. You can see the data is interpreted inside that parenthesis, right? So that it will be treated as one record.
Okay. 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 Got it, sir. Thank you.
Right. Sir, if everyone clear with this raw data, then we can start sorting this student data based on different parameters. Clear? Right. Now I'm going to take sorting logic. Listen carefully. How we can sort? I'm using collections for this purpose. Let me take this statement again. That is, after sorting. After sorting, what will be the result? So now after this, what I'm going to take? Sir, collections. Collections. Why I'm using collections? Because this type is like that, right? Now I want to take collections dot. Okay. So I want to take collections dot sort of. Can you please sort this array? No, it won't sort. Why? Because it is not integer objects. It is not string objects. So like that, right? Now I am taking new my comparator. New my comparator. I want to sort based on my comparator rules. What is that new my comparator? We have to take. So I'm writing a code for that. So class my comparator, okay, which implements which implement so comparator Comparator student I'm taking because we have to compare what type of objects, student objects. Next, public int, which method we have to override? I already told compare method, student s1 comma student s2, like this I'm taking. And I want to return s1 dot hall ticket number minus s2 dot hall ticket number. Now let us see is sorting is happened or not. Sir, you can see according to hall ticket number. Let me print one empty print line so that you can see the difference well. Yesterday itself, I think we have demonstrated these kind of scenarios. Now, are you seeing, friends? Before sorting, this is the content what we have, and after sorting, this is the content what we have. Sir, is the data is sorted according to the roll number, sir? Yes. According to the roll numbers, the data get sorted. Do you have any questions in this? Please come. Clear?
So, can you please repeat what you declare compare student?
See,
Implement compare method.
these things are already there in Java. If you take integer values, you can compare these two integers because
Yes.
internally, so there is one interface named with comparable. This interface is providing the service for comparing these two objects, not only integers, for strings, or for all wrapper classes, this facility is there. But if you take students, how you can compare? Not possible, right? That's why
Yes.
what I did, I created my own class, which is implementing comparator. That means something comparison logic I want to write. What type of comparison object? Student objects.
Student.
It
Yes.
will always return integer so that which is going to come first, which is going to come next will be decided. Student S1, student S2. S1 dot hall ticket number minus S2 dot hall ticket number. If it is returning positive value, then that data S1 and S2 are going to be interchanged. If you are getting negative value, it will keep as it is. That is nothing but the internal purpose of this compare method. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got
Right.
it, sir.
Suppose if you want in descending order, then what you need to do? Sir, minus of this entire thing, if you take, automatically what will happen? You will get in descending order. You can see 666, 555, 444 like that we are getting. Sir, I don't want this one. I want floating point values to be compared. Sir, public integer, I mean rank. Then what you have to do? Compare. Sir, same student S1, student S2. So which one you need to compare here? Return S1 dot rank, S1 dot rank minus S2 dot rank you need to take. Now let us see according to the rank, is it going to be sorted or not? You can see. According to the rank, the data gets sorted. If you want, you can see. So now if you want descending order, then minus this one. Now, sir, I want to sort based on. Okay, I want to sort based on which one? Name. How you can sort? So for name, what type of data it is? A string, right? So S1 dot. Okay, S1 dot name dot compare to S2 dot name. I'm going to compare based on names. Let us see what will happen. No need to use a toString because internally it contains, right? Now you can see, Sir Babu came first, then Kalyan, then Mahesh, Prakash, like that. If you want reverse order, just inverse this. Sir, now I want to compare based on percentage. Then what you have to do? Don't take S1 dot percentage minus S2 dot percentage because it will return floating point value, right? Now what you can do? Sir, if it is if the result whatever you are getting, if the result whatever you are getting, if it is positive, if it is positive number, return 1. If it is negative number, return -1. That's all. Now you can see based on percentage is sorting 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. If you want reverse, then -1, and here you have to take +1. Now what will happen? Like that we have. I hope everyone got clarity, sir, how we are doing these student objects. So both I am going to combine as a single case. Friends, any questions from your end? Any questions from your end? Please confirm. Everyone should respond, please. Clear? Around 7 members are there. No one is unmuting, speaking. Good. Right. Sir, I am sharing the details of the payments. So those who are willing to continue, just right. Sir, now what are the predefined sorting methods are there you demonstrated, and even how you can do that sorting at a very top level. Basics of sorting also you covered. Okay, both are fine. But now my question is, can you please tell me what are all the techniques that we have to improve the performance? Because the data structures means performance we should not compromise. Can you please tell me what are all the various things that we have, sorting algorithms that we have that we will use in the real time? So before doing investigation on those things, I want to talk about the two terminologies. One is nothing but stability. Okay, stability in sorting algorithms. Stability in sorting algorithms. See, what is mean by stability? Best example, I have 10 is there, I have 20 is there, and 30, 10, 40. Can you please tell me, if I sort this, what is the first value you'll get? What is the first value? 10. What is the second value? 10. What is the third value? 20. What is the fourth value? 30. What is the next value? 40. Can I say this? There are two tens are there, right? This one represent which 10? This one represent which 10? I want to know. Consider this is the first 10. This is the second 10. Sir, it can appear in any order. Suppose if it is appearing in the same order, then we can say this sorting is stable. Stable sorting. Sir, what is mean by stable sorting or stability in sorting? Sir, a stable sorting algorithm. A stable sorting algorithm is one algorithm that maintains relative order of records. Okay, relative order of records, or in other words, so two elements if two elements have the same value and appear and appear in a particular order in input. Okay, in input. So they will remain. Okay, they will remain in that order only. They will remain. So in that same order, in output also, they are going to be appear in the same order in the input also. Sorry, in the output also. In input, in which order it is appearing, in the output also, it is going to appear in the same order. Then such type of algorithms are called as what? Stable algorithms. One example I have given, right? Sir, if you have 20, 10, 30, 10, 40. Once if you are sorting, sir, first 10, second 10, then as usual 20, 30, 40. Maybe you got somewhat confusion. Don't worry. I will take one more example where you will get much clarity. But up to this is the basics. You got clarity? Please confirm. Sir, everyone, please, you should respond. Clear? Please respond, friends. Second. Right. Any other questions from your end? Right. Sir, I will give one more example where you will get more clarity. What is that example? Sir, I am going to take a list where the first element is nothing but something like a key and the second element is name. Next 2 comma, I am taking Sir Kiran. Next 4 comma, I am taking Kalyan. Next, sir, 5 comma or 3 comma, I am taking Kumar. Now observe carefully. I want to sort this. I want to sort this. I want to sort this. Sir, while sorting, on what basis you are going to sort? Sir, based on key I want to sort. So which is the first record you will get? This is the first record, Kiran. What is the second record? Sir, second record is nothing but the Kumar. That I know very well. Let me write 2 comma. I am taking Kiran. Kumar. Next. Sir, there are 2 keys right with name 4 and 4. Which one should come first? There are 2 options are there. What is the first option? Sir, 4 comma, I am taking Prakash. Next 4 comma, I am taking Kalyan. This is one order. What is another order? You may get first Kalyan, then you may get Prakash like this. Sir, this algorithm is called as stable, and this one is called as not stable algorithm. That's all, friends. Because even the data is same, why you are doing sorting to perform swapping operation? Such type of algorithms are not stable. There are some algorithms which are stable. Which are examples for stable algorithms? Sir, bubble sort. Bubble sort is a stable algorithm. Merge sort is a stable. Then insertion sort is a stable, like that. Sir, what about unstable algorithms? Sir, selection sort is unstable. Quick sort is unstable. Heap sort is unstable, like that we have. Sir, everyone clear up? If you got clarity, then there is one more concept is there. After that, we will move to the bubble sort. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next one is in place. In place algorithm. Sir, what is mean by in place algorithm? Sir, a sorting algorithm. A sorting algorithm is said to be in place sorting algorithm, in place sorting algorithm. If it is not using, any extra space, that's all. Which are in place sorting algorithms? Sir, quick sort is in place. Okay, bubble sort is in place. Selection sort is in place, because these sorting algorithms, they are not going to use any extra space. Which are not in place sorting? Sir, which are not in place sorting? You can see merge sort is not in place, because in the merge sort we are going to use some extra space also. Sir, if you are clear with these three concepts, we will go for another application called bubble sort. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? Why some sorting are unstable means it is unnecessary, sir. Because see, when you have the elements, assume, sir, this is nothing but 3 elements I have. See, when you are doing sorting, you will swap these two. Like 10 will come here, 10 will come here. This is first 10, this is second 10. This is second 10, this is first 10. So even the content is the same. Sometimes you are sorting, right? This story is unnecessary, right? So it will take more time. So when you have same kind of data is there, what is the reason to sort? Are you getting the point? Some algorithms are going to do that bloody job. That's why those are called as unstable. Clear? Srinivasulu. Right. Now, the first sorting algorithm I'm going to take, which is nothing but bubble sort. Sir, what is mean by bubble sort? What is mean by bubble sort? Sir, first point, it is used to sort the given data. It is used to sort the given data. Okay, it will arrange the elements in which order, sir? Ascending order or descending order? It will arrange the elements in ascending order or descending order. And it is a very simple sorting algorithm. It is very simple sorting algorithm, sir. And very important, it is a stable sorting. Stable sorting means what? When equal number of elements are coming, it won't interchange that. And it is in place sorting. We are not using any extra space. How we are doing this sorting? Repeatedly we will compare adjacent, okay, adjacent elements and swap if those elements are not in order. If those two elements are not in order, what you have to do? You have to swap. Don't worry, first I will demonstrate with example, then we will go for coding. Assume the elements are nothing but 5. Okay, so let us take 2, 5, and then 1, and then 4, okay, and then 6, and then 3. Like that I have. Sir, take the first element, compare with the second element. 2 and then 5. Sir, is first element is less than second element? Yes. Yes, first element is less than second element. No need to swap. Now compare 5 and then 1. Is 5 is less than 1? No, sir. Then what you have to do? Interchange those two elements. Then compare 5 with 4. Is 5 is less than 4? No, sir. Take 4 here and 5 here. Next, compare these two. Is 5 is less than 6? Yes. Then compare these two, 6 and then 3. Is 6 is less than 3? No. Then interchange. Sir, if you observe clearly, in this, what we did, we identified one element and we moved to the last. That is nothing but the maximum element in the list. Everyone got clarity? Please confirm. Everyone, you understood the scenario?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the leftover elements that we have? Sir, we have 2 is there. Then we have 1. Then we have 4. Then we have 5. So then we have 3. Then we have 6. Like that we have. Now, sir, you need to compare first element with the second element. Is the first element is less than second element? No. What you need to do? You have to interchange these two. Second element to compare with fourth element. Is the second element is less than 4? Yes. Leave as it is. Now compare 4 and 5. Is 4 is less than 5? Yes. Leave as it is. Compare 5 with 3. Is 5 is less than 3? No. Then what you have to do? Swap. Now if you observe, the last before elements get sorted. This is first iteration. This is the second iteration. Like this you have to complete. You need to finish. So once if all the iterations are completed, the largest element will move to the end. The next largest element, like that it will keep on moving the elements. If you understood it clearly, I will write algorithm for this. Clear? Everyone should speak. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let me take the program. So how I'm going to do this program? I will create some random elements. Random r is equal to new random, and integer array a is equal to new integer of 10 I am taking. And for integer I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. So what I am doing? I am taking a of I is equal to r dot next int of 100 I am taking. So after that system dot out dot println of arrays dot to string of I am printing a. So after this, I am calling bubble sort ASC by passing the array. So now what you have to do? You need to implement that bubble sort. So public static void bubble sort ascending, which is taking one array. How you can do sorting? Just now I explained. What is the step? We have to run a loop which is going to start from 0 up to a dot length minus 1 I plus plus. Why you are not including the last element? If your list is having 6 elements, if you have done this process for 5 times, there will be only one leftover element will be there, right? No need to do sorting for that. Automatically it is sorted. What is the second step? Start from j is equal to 0, j less than a dot length minus I, because every time you have to reduce one element, j plus plus. Now what you have to do? Sir, if your a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, we are comparing the adjacent elements. If the first element is greater, then what you are going to do? Sir, I am taking one temporary variable. So temp is equal to a of j. Then a of j is equal to a of j plus 1. And a of j plus 1 is equal to temp. Like this we are doing. That's all. We are doing swapping. Now let us see. So before sorting, what are the elements that we have? After sorting, what are the elements that we have? Very clear clarity is there. Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Suppose if I want to do the same thing for descending, what is a modification? Just here in the place of greater than, take less than. Assume I'm going to comment this, and here now see, is really descending order is coming? Yes. All the elements are arranged in descending order. Like that, you can sort the data. Sir, any questions on bubble sort functionality? Please confirm. Clear. Right. So that's all about the session. Now please confirm how many people are willing to continue in this batch. Please provide your names in the chat window. So Kranti Kumar Patil. Is it your first class?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Right, guys. See you in the tomorrow's class. Probably tomorrow is the last demo. Please make the necessary payments, and day after tomorrow also. Day after tomorrow onwards, we will continue. Thank you.
Okay. Next.